Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Most profitable crypto sectors in first half of 2024 revealed. Next, Ethereum ETF process is going smoothly, says SEC's Gensler. Also, Investcorp announces real-world asset tokenization fund. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We have a quick request that doesn't cost you anything in order to help. Help us grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers by September, which would be our channel's one-year anniversary. All we ask is that you click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. By clicking on these, it does help grow the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, most profitable crypto sectors in first half of 2024 revealed. Blockchain gaming, decentralized finance, and Layer 2 platforms lagged behind newly emerging sectors in the current meme coin frenzy. The most profitable sectors of the cryptocurrency industry in the first half of 2024 have been revealed, with meme coins and newly emerging sectors scooping up the lion's share of profits. According to data from BitEye, CoinGecko, and Wu Blockchain, meme coins led the competition by recording a staggering 1,834% returns since the start of 2024. In second place was the real-world asset tokenization sector, which returned 214% to investors. Artificial intelligence blockchain projects returned a healthy 72%, while decentralized physical infrastructure networks, or DePIN, saw returns of 59%. Digital asset staples Bitcoin and Ether continued to perform well, with ETH showcasing year-to-date gains of 50% and Bitcoin returning roughly 45%. Additionally, Layer 1 platforms returned an average of 43%, while sectors like gaming and decentralized finance lagged the competition, but still managed to record modest returns at 19% and 3% respectively. However, the Layer 2 sector experienced a notable decline, with total losses averaging roughly 41%. Meme coin mania. The meteoric rise of meme coins can partly be attributed to the Solana network. In May, 541,000 new token projects were minted on the Solana blockchain alone. Celebrities and online influencers like Andrew Tate, rapper Lil Pump, and Iggy Azalea flocked to the network to launch their meme coins. Many of these projects have been accused of insider trading activity and, in some cases, pump and dump schemes. Solana's architecture and focus on user-friendly features that simplify token and smart contract deployment have earned the network a reputation of being the Mac OS of blockchain, a title bestowed upon Solana by Pantera Capital. Real-world asset tokenization. No industry analysis can be complete without addressing the burgeoning real-world asset tokenization sector, which has become a favorite topic of institutional investors and banks. Widely seen as the next frontier for digital assets, real-world asset tokenization could eventually encompass $874 trillion in wealth as the world's investment funds, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even real estate migrate on-chain. Projects like Chainlink continue to make strides toward bringing the world's assets to the blockchain, with new partnerships prioritizing the digitization of wealth through distributed ledger technology. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Ethereum ETF process is going smoothly, says SEC's Gensler. SEC Chair Gary Gensler didn't comment on when his agency would approve Ether ETFs for trading, but analysts predict it could be as soon as next week. The process of launching the first spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the United States is going smoothly, says the Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler. Speaking at a June 25th Bloomberg conference, Gensler remained tight-lipped on when the ETFs could launch and deferred when asked if they could go live before the November U.S. elections. It's really about the asset managers making the full disclosure so that those registration statements can go effective, he said. What is in front of us, and it's done at a staff level, is what's called the registration statements, the disclosure statements, Gensler added. Again, these disclosures are really important. They're important to investors making investment decisions. The SEC approved 19B-4 filings from 8 ETF bidders on May 23rd, but the asset managers are still tweaking their Form S-1s, the final filings the SEC needs to approve before they go live for trading. Some analysts have predicted that the SEC could approve the funds for trading as soon as the first week of July. Nothing inconsistent about securities laws. The U.S. crypto industry has raised millions and lobbied to make digital assets an election issue after facing a deluge of enforcement actions from the Gensler-led SEC. Presidential hopeful Donald Trump says he would end what he called President Joe Biden's war on crypto, and billionaire investor Mark Cuban claimed Gensler could literally cost Joe Biden the election. Gensler said he doesn't speak on elections when asked about Trump and Cuban's comments. We have a set of rules that are pretty clear. There's nothing inconsistent about crypto securities and the securities laws, he added. Unfortunately, there's a number of people that are non-compliant with the laws. Gensler claimed that up to 20,000 crypto tokens are investment contracts or securities under U.S. law that do not give proper disclosure to American investors. This is a field that the leading lights from a couple of years ago are either in jail, about to go to jail, or are awaiting extradition, he said. We're bringing that in front of courts, and those will play out because folks that are not complying with the law hurt the American public, he added. On X, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse slammed Gensler's comments as absolute nonsense, claiming the SEC boss completely missed FTX, he added. Gensler will cause Biden to lose the election. Our next top headline, Investcorp announces real-world asset tokenization fund. Investcorp's strategic capital group currently has $1.5 billion in assets under management and will handle the collaborative deals. Investcorp, a global asset manager, announced a partnership between its Strategic Capital Group, or ISCG, and Securitize, a firm specializing in asset tokenization, in a June 26th press release. The tokenized fund will provide qualified investors with exposure to ISCG's general partner staking strategy, a method of private equity investment that invests in asset management firms directly by acquiring minority interests in those firms rather than investing in the underlying funds those firms manage. Following the announcement of the private equity tokenized fund, Securitize CEO Carlos Domingo remarked on the inclusive opportunities tokenized investment products provide to individual investors. By tokenizing alternative assets, we are breaking down barriers and allowing individual investors to participate in opportunities that were previously out of reach. This partnership underscores our commitment to leveraging technology to unlock new financial possibilities. Real-world asset tokenization, the final frontier. Real-world asset tokenization has become the talk of the town in the crypto industry, with real-world asset tokenization claiming the second most profitable sector of the crypto economy, right behind meme coins. In the first half of 2024, asset tokenization projects delivered a 214% return for investors. Everything from government bonds to real estate can be tokenized, providing enhanced efficiency and liquidity to investors while exponentially increasing the velocity of money in the economy. By 2030, the real-world asset tokenization market is projected to swell to $2 trillion in digitized assets. Tether recently showcased a powerful use case for asset tokenization by launching Alloy, a gold-backed US dollar stablecoin. This hybrid approach combines the hedging power of the precious metal with the functionality of a fiat-pegged token. Driving institutions to crypto. Real-world asset tokenization is one of the factors driving institutional investors to embrace cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. In a recent interview with Cointelegraph, Kunal Basin of KPMG Canada said that institutional investors will embrace tokenized commercial real estate, but are currently waiting for the market to mature and offer more robust options for commercial property investment. These opportunities can also be more inclusive, allowing individual investors or family offices to participate in high-value commercial real estate investment opportunities traditionally available to larger entities and investors in the market. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.